How to find hidden locked chats on WhatsApp? If you've hidden your locked chats using a secret code, you can find them again in just a few simple steps. First, open WhatsApp on your phone. Find the chat you want to lock, then tap and hold it to bring up the available options. Tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Lock Chat. Tap Continue and follow the on-screen instructions to set up your screen lock or authentication. Once the chat is locked, go back to the main WhatsApp screen. To hide your locked chats, open the Locked Chat section. Tap the three dots and select Chat Lock Settings. Turn on Hide Locked Chats. Now create a secret code and enter it again to confirm. Your locked chats will now be hidden from the main chat list. To find them again, tap the search bar at the top of WhatsApp. Enter the secret code you created. The locked chat section should appear in the search results. Tap Locked Chats and authenticate if required. You can now access your hidden locked conversations. And that's how you can find hidden locked chats on WhatsApp. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more helpful WhatsApp tutorials, and I'll see you in the next.